Hello traders, in this video I'll be reviewing the point break EA for MT4 and taking a closer look at what the developer has provided on the MQL5 Marketplace page, including its features, risk management options, and how to interpret its historical testing results. But before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, as we look at the marketplace page, Point Break is an MT4 expert advisor developed by Lucas Hernan Diedrich. At the time of this review, the EA is listed at $50 and is currently available as version 1.0. Starting with the description, the developer highlights that the EA does not use a martingale approach. That is one of the first things mentioned on the page, and it's often a detail traders like to check when evaluating automated systems. The description also states that the EA automatically analyzes market movements and identifies potential future entry opportunities for both buy and sell positions. Now, beyond that, no additional details are provided regarding the exit trading, the exact trading methodology. So it's important not to make assumptions about the underlying entry logic. Okay, moving further down the page, the developer notes that lower spreads are preferred and recommends testing the EA with your broker's conditions, since spread can have a direct impact on trading results. This is especially important when evaluating any automated strategy because execution costs can vary from broker to broker. Another feature mentioned is automatic capital management. According to the description, the EA adjusts capital management based on the account balance, which allows position sizing to adapt automatically as account equity changes. The EA also includes automatic stop loss and trailing stop functionality. What is useful here is that these options are configurable, allowing traders to adjust them according to their own preferences and risk tolerance. So as we transition into the back testing section, it is worth remembering that historical testing is most useful when evaluated over longer periods of time. A longer testing window generally provides a broader view of how an EA responds to changing market conditions. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments. All right, so looking at what is provided here, I can see this just seems to show the EA in action, and then here this shows the balance and equity curve, steady growth over time, and the equity and the balance seems to be so knitted together. Okay, so showing that there were no sharp drawdowns from the equity, but of course there were losses that of course it led to all these pullbacks in the in the curve. Okay, let's head over to our strategy tester. We are testing the point break EA on XAUUSD. All right, we are using the H1 period and we are testing using the every tick model over the past 3 months from 19th March to 19th June 2026. Looking at the report, the initial deposit is $10,000 and the total net profit is $35.12. Here we have a profit factor of 3.51 and the maximal drawdown is actually good, just 0.02%. The relative drawdown 0.02%. Okay, so we have 151 trades taken, out of which 123 were profitable. So that gave us an 81.46% win rate. And the largest profit was just 50 cents, while the largest loss was also 50 cents. Average profit was 40 cents, and the average loss was 50 cents. So that means that the risk to reward ratio is bad, even though the difference might not be so much, but it's kind of much because, this is like 25% more than this. Addition of 10 cents, this is 40 cents. So 25% more of the profit is what we have as the loss. Anyways, the risk to reward ratio is bad. The win rate is actually good though. But let's go turn on the visual so we can see this EA in action. All right. So looking at the backtest results and the historical chart activity, the focus should be on observing how the EA handled entries, exits, and risk management throughout the tested period. Now, since the marketplace description specifically mentions automatic stop loss, trailing stop functionality, and balance based capital management, those are the areas I would want to pay particular attention to when reviewing the historical trading behavior. Now, when discussing the historical testing performance, it is important to remember that these results represent historical analysis only. Future results can differ due to factors such as broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, account size, risk settings, and any optimization changes made by the user. Okay, so overall, the point break EA presents itself as an MT4 trading system that is focused on automated market analysis, balance based capital management, and configurable stop loss and trailing stop controls. As always, I recommend conducting your own testing and optimization before considering any live trading application. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.